Let's talk about the Apple Watch and how you can change the country of the Apple Watch App Store. I already made another video about how you can change the country or region of your device, and I mentioned that it's completely different if you want to switch to a different App Store country. And this process is a bit more complicated, but let's get into it. The Apple Watch App Store and iPhone App Store are connected through the same Apple ID account. The watch is basically just an extension of our iPhone, and that's why we'll need to perform everything on the iPhone. So grab the iPhone that is paired to your Apple Watch and open up the settings. At the top of the list, you'll see your name, so tap on this to manage all the information about your Apple account. Then I want you to click on the media and purchases indicated by the App Store icon. You'll get two options, so just pick View Account and make sure you don't tap on the signing out option. Once you get inside, you'll see the information about your account, like the email address, subscriptions, and stuff like that. But a little towards the bottom, you can find the country and region section, so tap on it. And there, you can technically change the App Store country if you wish, but you need to also set up some different things too. For example, if you already have some active subscriptions in the old account, you'll need to cancel everything before you can change the country. Keep in mind that the payment method registered in your original country will likely not work, and if you want to buy some apps or subscriptions, you'll likely need to set up a different payment method based in the new region you're switching to. But if you complete all these steps, you can then be in a different country based on your preference. After you switch it on your iPhone, it'll also reflect on your Apple Watch too. As I said, it's all connected. So that's how it works. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button on it to let me know. For more videos like this one, consider subscribing to this channel too. Thank you for watching.